First thing I'm going to show you on your new HDSew sewing machine, PortaWalker, I'm going to show you how to set up the large spool stand. The large spool stand consists of three pieces: the base, the spool pin, and the large rod. The way you set that up is you take your base and get a screwdriver, and there's a little set screw here. You want to loosen this just so the hole is clear here, and you want to put the rod in like so, and then you want to tighten the set screw here till it's tight. Then take your large spool pin, get a little hammer, and just tap it in until it's snug. And that's how you set up the spool stand. And then you can get your large spools of thread, and that's how it sets on there. And then you can take your thread and you put it up here for your first step. And usually you take the spool stand, you can set that behind the sewing machine, and now you're ready to thread the machine with the thread coming from the top up here to your first thread area.